Might be let's don our packs and hike in lake, because I'm not going down there.
Can you?
Well, we're supposed to have a 100% chance of rain. It's looking gloomy. So we decided to drive up to this lake, but got stopped here at this road hazard. This lake's Alexander Lake. So we're gonna hike in the rest of the way. It's only about a half mile here from where the truck's parked. I've never been to this lake. Check it out. Alright. Yeah, it looks like there's more road hazards here. You know, going through the water is no big a deal, but you never know what's underneath it. So we're just gonna hike up the road. It's 0.4 miles to the lake. Throw our lines in. Hopefully have some luck. Probably have some dinner and get out of here before the rain hits us. Oh, there's another. Yeah, there could be hidden rocks. Knock out a differential or a drive line or something. You just never know. Yeah, it looks like if you drive up in here, there's some nice campsites in here. Yeah, good call on parking where we did, because this road's getting steeper and rockier and uglier. It's pretty steep. Looking more and more like a trail than a road. This looks like a pretty good camping spot right here, if you can get up here. And the lake is just through the trees there. So you're far enough from the lake to have a fire a quarter mile from the lake. Pretty cool. Alright, there she be. The elusive Alexander Lake. Pretty. I want to see if there's any fish in there. Oh, I see people on the other side. Some kind of a fungus. So here we are hiking in the sun. And over our left shoulder is a big ugly thundercloud making all kinds of noise at us. Yeah. Saying, hey, this is your warning shot, get out of here.
Your daughter's getting married today.
So we just fished this first shoreline that we came to, but it's really shallow and swampy. So we're gonna go down around the lake a little bit more. There's people all around the lake. We'll try to find a better spot to fish. Well,
it still has the wrapping on it.
The pole didn't make it. We lost 2 lures in the lake. And it looks like we're gonna get rained on. So I think our luck has ran out. Oh well. I'm glad we saw the lake. Anyway, it's still pretty. But if 2 lures in the lake and a broken pole and rain's not enough to say Time for you to get the heck out of here, then I don't know what is. It's amazing how fast the weather can change up here. I mean, we went from sunshine, well, which I still have sunshine, but it's fading fast, and we're getting this really big black cloud coming our way. And it's starting to sprinkle a little bit. And we're about a half mile from the truck, so hopefully we can get back before we have to put our rain jackets on. Yeah, I'll turn around and look at this rain cloud coming in. It's a good one. Well, there it is, and there's some thunder to go with it. Heck yeah. Don't want to mess around with Mother Nature. Well, at least we got to see a pretty lake. Look at that uprooted tree. Oh, it won't be long before it comes over that ridge and be all over us. It's angry. The clouds are angry. I just noticed this little meadow right here. It's pretty cool. I think it's worth walking down to with the flowers in it and stuff. That's pretty neat. Heck yeah. Wow, that is amazing. Oh boy, to hear that. Heck yeah, look at that. Christy says that's our second and third warning. Time to get. There's still a little bit of snow right there. Yeah. It's just kind of hanging on. One last little patch of snow. But that storm is like, dude, you better get out of here. One good thing about the rain, it smells good. That breeze is so nice. It smells really good.
59 degrees.
59 degrees and sprinkling. That's pretty crazy. We just pulled out on the highway after a whole line of cars are coming down. I guess they got the memo of the rain too. So. All right, there it is. We made it off the mountain, and here comes the storm.